I grew these Armenian cucumber vines from seeds. I bought the seeds from the store, and the whole summer it has been giving us so many cucumbers. And it is November now, it's middle of fall. And there was one cucumber that I accidentally left, and I didn't see it, I didn't harvest it, and it grew big. And then I just left it in the vine so that I can get seeds from it. And now look at this, it's becoming so huge. I mean, now it has stopped growing, it is really huge, and you can see the cracks on the surface. So I think it is ready now that I can harvest this cucumber and get the seeds from it. So that's what I'll show you in this video. And if you have not seen my Armenian cucumber videos, I put the link in the description, you can check them out. And they were so good. And the whole summer, for at least 3 months, every day I was picking 1 or 2 cucumbers from it. And it is getting colder, and still you can see some cucumbers, like here there's a cucumber, there's one cucumber there. They are still growing cucumbers, which is really surprising because Armenian cucumbers generally like hot weather. But I'm really happy with the results. I mean, they produce much more cucumbers than the normal cucumbers. So I'm going to just harvest this, and then we'll show you how to save seeds from it. So we picked this Armenian cucumber. It doesn't look like Armenian cucumber at all. It's so big. So I'm going to just cut it in half. Yep, look at this. So many seeds, and they are like really grown seeds, meaning ripe seeds. It's not like they are very young or anything. So I'll just scrape all this material in water along with all the seeds. This seed was so good, we grew this, and all summer long we were getting cucumbers. So I definitely want to save the seeds. And I don't care if it is not true to its parent plant. It will at least have some qualities. So just rub them around, remove all the meaty part, and you want to just separate out the seeds. So I'm going to just run it through a sieve and again wash it with fresh water. Some of these seeds, they are not viable. They are like, I can see that they're really thin. So you can see the difference. So if you look at this seed, this is like quite thick, and if you look at this one, it's quite thin. So, and it doesn't look like to me that this is a viable seed, but this is viable. So I have washed it a couple of times, and all these seeds that are floating on top, they are not viable. I'm just going to drain them off. And now, these are the good seeds. And they're a little slimy because, they were in this flesh. So what you want to do is that you just want to scatter it on the towel. I would have thought that in such a big cucumber there will be more seeds, but that's fine. These are more than sufficient. So just scatter the seeds, and they are lying here in the sun. They'll dry up a little bit, and maybe in 1 hour I'll pick them up and then dry them in a shaded area. And that's about it. You have to just wait for these to dry up and then store them. It's been a week, and you can see that the seeds are all dry. Initially they were sticking to the towel because it had that slimy layer, but I gently remove them from the towel, and you can see they are all dry. So I'm going to just put them in a Ziploc, label them, and they are ready to go for the next season. So it is very simple that towards the end of the season, any vegetable that you are thinking of saving the seeds for, just leave one or two fruit on the plant and let it grow really, really big. And when you think that it is too big, just cut it open, remove the seeds, wash them a few times, and dry them up, and just save them for the next season. Oh, another thing, when you're saving your seeds, ideally you should save them in refrigerator. But if that is not possible because you have too many seeds, space in the refrigerator, then it's okay. You can store them in a cool place. I mean, avoid warm places like kitchen or bathroom where it goes hot and cold. So maybe in the garage. So I hope this simple video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening.